train action, also known as the Kakori conspiracy, was a significant event in the Indian freedom struggle that took place on 9th August 1925. It involved a group of revolutionaries associated with the Hindustan Republican Association (HRA), attempting to rob the treasury on board a train at Kakori, a town in Uttar Pradesh, India. Led by Ram Prasad Bismil, the revolutionaries aimed to fund their revolutionary activities against British colonial rule. However, the robbery was unsuccessful and many members of the group were arrested, including Ashfaqullah Khan and Rajendra Lahiri. The Kakori train action became a symbol of sacrifice, courage, and the relentless spirit of the Indian freedom fighters. It served as an inspiration for future revolutionaries and contributed to the growing momentum of the independence movement in India. The Quit India movement, also known as the Bharat Chodo Andolan, was a movement launched at the Bombay session of the All India Congress Committee by Mahatma Gandhi on 9th August 1942 during the World War II, demanding an end to the British rule in India. The All India Congress Committee launched a mass protest demanding what Gandhi called an orderly British withdrawal from India. Even though it was at war, the British were prepared to act. Almost the entire leadership of the Indian National Congress was imprisoned without trial within hours of Gandhi's speech. In Indian history, this day is marked as August Kranti Day.